In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130E series printer. Whenever there is a paper jam, you will see on the main screen, and it will also give some information how to clear it. So let's clear the paper jam. So first step is to make sure you check the paper tray. If any page is stuck here, you can just remove it by hand. If you don't see anything, just go to the back side of the printer. At the back of the printer there is another section. You just lift it and check inside. So right now we can see there is nothing showing up here. There is a paper stuck on the top, but we can't access it from here, or maybe it's not visible. So close this section, open the front chamber, lift this door up. If you go to the back of the printer inside, here you will see there is a blue handle. Lift it up and take it. So we can see the paper is stuck here. So we can just remove from here, and then just place it back and push it down. Now close the front and the top section, and then click on the OK on the main screen. So paper jam is clear and we can resume our printing or copy. Thanks for watching.